Hi everybody, welcome to another week of Carolyn and her clothes. So I'm coming off a week of wearing florals and I have to counteract all that femininity with something a little bit edgy today. I had enough of florals and I need to mix it up. So I am wearing this White House Black Market coated button down top. It has like the puff sleeves, the open V-neck. With it, I have paired a pair of Ever Eve faded black denim that they sent me in, actually no, they sent it to me in one of my boxes, my Trendsend boxes, and they were full price and I didn't want to pay full price for them. So I waited to go on sale and then I ordered them directly. I have paired with it the silver chain belt from 9 million years ago just to give my outfit a little bit more pizzazz and edge to it. And I have on the star of the show these funky Steve Madden buckle shoes. I'll show them to you in just a second. I got these in my Nordstrom haul. If you want to look at my King of Prussia Nordstrom haul, you'll see them there. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Taking my mother-in-law out to lunch, and that is it. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is 7:40 in the morning. I have an 8 o'clock meeting, so I'll be making this brief. It's kind of overcast right now. The sun should be peeking out in a little bit, but it's a little dark in my living room, so I got the ring light and I decided to use the overhead lights. So sorry for not the best quality of lighting. So I did not go to the gym today. It was a stupid workout where you had to jump off and on and off the treadmill and run like a lunatic. And I knew I couldn't do anything like that with my back, so I took the day off. I went 4 days in a row, so I guess that's good enough. Even though I'm still not back to my full level of effort or calorie burn, I can't risk hurting my back. It's getting there. It's a lot better, but I don't want to have any setbacks. So yesterday I dressed very edgy in an all black outfit and some funky shoes. Today I'm counteracting that. So today I decided to go on full on prep. So I am wearing this white wrap blouse from White House Black Market that I got years ago, probably 2019, 20, 21, I don't remember. It's just a basic white, it's a true wrap. I'm wearing a little half cami underneath for a little bit of extra coverage. It comes down, it's a half sleeve as you can see. And it's a cute little blouse. It's kind of like a wardrobe workhorse or essential in my wardrobe. It's actually, because I don't wear it that often to be quite honest with you, but I think it's a good basic to have in a wardrobe. And with it, I paired my new yellow plaid Liverpool pants. I think these are fun and very spring-like. And I paired my ivory loafers with it to be full on prep. And yes, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Tuesday and I have the house to myself and it is 7:35 in the morning. So my husband is at the gym and my daughter already went off her internship and I just came back from an outdoor run. My gym doesn't have classes at 5 a.m. anymore and that is unfortunate, at least on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But even if they did, the workout today, I wouldn't be able to do it with my back because it required a lot of jumping on, jumping off. It was a partner workout, lots of switches, and I just can't move that fast with my back. I could do things, but I have to do them real slow. So no for that today anyway. So I went for an outdoor run and did 2.34 miles, 2.75 miles or 2.72. All right, so that's not bad. I just went around the neighborhoods. I didn't feel comfortable running in a park close to my house alone at 6 a.m. So yeah, I just went around local neighborhoods. The sun was already up. People were getting ready for work and it was fine. And I went really slow and I really didn't have any issues, but I really cannot go faster because I'm afraid if I misstep or something, my back will go back out. All right, enough about me and my back and my exercising. What am I wearing today? So Sunday I was edgy, like in black. Yesterday I was preppy in yellow. And today I'm a little bit boho in lavender and pink, okay? Not hugely boho. This is a cut from the cloth blouse. I got this from Nordstrom. I saw it on Angie Hot and Flashy and I liked it so much. When it went on sale, I had to get it for myself. I keep saying no more polyester blouses, Carol. You got a million of them. But every time there's a print, I'm like, oh, I have to have it. And I just thought this one was such a pretty print. I'll come up a little bit closer so you can see. All right. With it, I have paired, and this is see-through, so I am wearing a white cami underneath. With it, I have paired my White House Black Market utility jeans. I think I got in 2021, and my just neutral colored espadrilles that I got from a Stitch Fix. They're Me Too shoes, very comfortable. And yeah, this is my outfit for today for working from home. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day's styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday and it's 7:45 and I'm so excited because tomorrow is my Friday. My company gave off Friday this week for Memorial Day weekend, so I'm gonna have a 4-day weekend. Totally excited about that. So what am I up to today? I went outside for a run. I did 2.5 miles, felt pretty good. Came back, had some breakfast, took my shower, and here I am. What am I wearing today? I am wearing this cut from the cloth, cropped, I'll step back so you can see where it lands on me, cargo jacket with this sleeveless White House Black Market zip sweater. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know, if you're interested in this sweater, they have it and they have it in multiple colors. It is form-fitting. If you plan on ordering and you don't want it form-fitting, definitely size up. And it'll let you know, it does have kind of a nylon-y kind of feeling, so it's kind of scratchy when you feel the material, but when it's on, it doesn't bother me. It has the zip front here in gold. And yeah, I like the sweater. I think it's a little bit edgy, and I purposely bought it to go with these pants because I feel these pants are a little bit edgy, but sporty at the same time. So, you know, Sunday I was dressed edgy, but that was more of a dressy edgy where I was in all black and black shoes, where here and now I'm more of a sporty edgy with my camo joggers and sneakers. Yeah, this is my outfit for today, and the cut jacket I got from Ever Eve when I went on my shopping expedition, sweater White House Black Market, and these I purchased online, the pants online from Ever Eve, and my Dolce Vita sneakers I highly recommend. They're my Xena sneakers I purchased myself through, I believe directly through Dolce Vita. And that's my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is a gloomy, rainy Thursday today, so I have my overhead lights on as well as my ring light. It's like just dark and gloomy and rainy. No gym and no running for me today. Today is definitely a rest day. I plan as of now going Friday through Monday, but we shall see, and how my back holds out. My hips were really bothering me last night, so I'm not so sure I'm gonna be able to do all that. All right, what am I wearing today? So Monday I was preppy, but kind of preppy sporty. Now I'm preppy on the classic side. So I decided to put on this White House Black Market ivory blazer that I've had probably since 2018 underneath, and yes, you can see my bra. I am wearing also a White House Black Market polka dot top that is obviously a halter style, but with the blazer nobody can see my bra straps. With it I paired a pair of Mavi light wash clean jeans that I got from my Front Door Fashion. Love these jeans. They are a little long for me, so I just turned them under, and I don't think anyone can really tell that they're turned under. And with it, I have paired again my ivory loafers. So here is another preppy look, but a little bit different than the sporty style I had at the beginning of the week. So now you guys see why I have so many clothes and why I have a shopping addiction is I can't decide between edgy or sporty or preppy or romantic. I got it all going on. And yeah, so that's it. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Carolyn and her clothes. So today, what am I up to today? So I have off from work and it is 15 minutes after 11 in the morning. So this is late for me coming to you. I went to my nutritionist at 7, and then after that I went to my gym class, which is a running class today. 50 minutes on the treadmill, got in almost 4.2 miles. Boy, am I out of shape. So my back is better. I can't run fast, but I can do what we call base pace. Cardiovascularly, I was suffering at base pace, but I did it and I'm feeling okay. I don't feel so bad right now. A little bit tired, but I'm feeling okay. And of course, right after that, I'm all sweaty and exhausted and did a great workout. What do? I go to Crumble Cookies and buy 2 cookies and bring them home and share them with my family. After that, I took my shower and I filmed the Stitch Fix, and here I am. And what else am I up to today? So it's 11:15, and at 12:30, I'm getting my hair done. Oh, I can't wait. I have not had my hair colored or cut since end of February, right before my cruise, and it is time. I got gray hairs. It's too long. I need it done. So I cannot wait to see her, and she's gonna hack it off and do her magic and get rid of all these grays. So that's what I'm up to today. I figured I see her at 12:30. I'll probably be back about 2. 6 o'clock, we're going to the Cheesecake Factory with my family. I might help my husband outside. He is doing massive landscaping work out there, but with my back, I can't really bend or anything and lift. I can certainly sift, but he's like doing like physical labor, like moving rocks and putting rocks into rock beds. So that's not stuff I really can do right now. I kind of feel bad. He's out there suffering. But our lawn is going to look fabulous after he's done. We got a price quote to do this, and it was $20,000. And we said, yeah, no thank you. So he started doing it himself. Other than that, what's going on? Nothing much this weekend. Taking it easy, I guess. So what am I wearing? I am wearing, and you know, I was all over the map this week with my clothes. I am wearing this top that I got from a Trendsend. I didn't have anything like it. It's in this moody tropical pattern, right? So you got the dark, you got the bright orange, you got the olive green, you got the little purple in here. And I paired it with my dark olive, almost gray, cut from the cloth pants. They're kind of like a linenish blend, not full linen, that I got from a Stitch Fix. Like these a lot. And with them I have paired a pair of brown heels that are Lieber Michael Kors that I got from Nordstrom. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, today is Saturday, Memorial Day weekend, and what am I up to today? So got up, went to the gym, and I ran 4 miles. The back is doing pretty good. I'm having some issues with my hips and now my left hamstring, but I think that's a result of my back. My daughter and husband are outside working hard on landscaping and making me feel very guilty while I sit inside and wait for my front door fashion to arrive. So I am not going to go out there and help them until I do that whole try on. It should be here before 1. I still can't do what they're doing, like lifting rocks and moving them, but I can certainly sit on the ground and do some weeding and put the rocks in the bed. But yeah, I really don't want to do that because I got to put on old dirty clothes and yeah, and honestly, I don't really have any like yucky clothes. I can find something, I'm sure. I have a pair of sweatpants that I have that I could always just throw on. All right, so that's what I did this morning, gym, and then I came home and I meal prepped my peppers and my potatoes. What am I wearing today? Well, today I don't think this is any particular style in general. It's just a sweater with some jeans. This sweater I saw in a boutique. It's not quite lime green. Somebody called it celery, and I would say celery. It's actually coming a little bit more neon on the camera than you guys see. It's 100% cotton. It's by Astor, the label. I saw it in a boutique, and it was $90, and I'm like, oh, yeah. And I hemmed and hawed, and I said, that's a lot, you know. Found it on Amazon, and it was much cheaper. So yeah, it's by Astor, the label, 100% Amazon, 100% cotton. Typically name brands are the only thing I generally buy from Amazon. I try other things, and the items that I have found successful in clothing, I have shared with you, but honestly, I don't have much luck in Amazon clothing, including stuff other influencers say they love. So, yeah, basically I just buy name brands that I know through Amazon, like the Democracy jeans or the Astor, the label top, and I used to purchase quite a bit of shoes from Amazon as well. With it, I just paired my White House black Harky bootleg jeans that I must get over to get tailored because they're too long. I do have them rolled underneath on the bottom, so just so I don't trip on them, and my white mules. And this is my outfit for today until my front door fashion comes, and then I will switch, do an outfit try on for you there, hopefully, and then, yeah, help my husband and daughter outside. All right, take care, and see you next week for another week of styling.